am Michelle Connor from BluCee Real Estate. Today I'm going to show you this stunningly beautiful old property in Cútar. It's on exclusively with BluCee Real Estate. The detail in this property is amazing. These are the original tiles and they're beautiful. It's got wooden doors still, the wooden shutters. This house, this currently is a bedroom, but it would make a beautiful dining room. The flow of the house is around a courtyard, so it's a bit disjointed as I'm showing you. This is the kitchen with the open fire. Look at that. That's typical, traditional Spain. This is beautiful. I can't explain how beautiful this house is in this video. It's one of those properties you just have to come to. The tiles, look at this. The tile details on the floor are amazing. This is the entrance. I'm back now at the entrance. This is the bathroom. There's a separate downstairs toilet here. I'll show you. Look at this open courtyard with the water fountain. There's a storeroom here, which I suppose you could turn into another room with wooden beams. So I'll do downstairs first, then we'll finish upstairs. It's back into the kitchen. I mean, look at these tiles. These are all handmade tiles. There's a terrace seating area here. This is a garden. This is a garden in the village. Lots of potential. There is also underneath a underbuild, which is used currently as a storeroom. And that door goes out to the front of the house, just next to the front door. So you can actually enter in through there. And then in here, a big storage room. So let's go back in through the kitchen and I'll show you the upstairs. But as you can see, this is the house. So it's on exclusively with BluCee Real Estate. So if you do want to view, contact us. We also have a 360 tour on the website, so you can virtually tour the property yourself. There's obviously this room here as well, which is where the laundry is, just off the kitchen. Now let's make our way up the stairs to the bedrooms and another beautiful terrace. So to the right we have this bedroom, which also goes round to this side. Now that window goes out onto the terrace, so maybe you could put a door in there, make it into a separate bedroom. And across the hallway is another bedroom. The wardrobe space. Beautiful wooden beams. This is a very large bedroom. Seating and views. And then these bedrooms go out onto this terrace. See down onto the internal terrace. So that's where the fire comes up from the kitchen. This is the window that goes into the bedroom that I showed you from the inside. This is the garden, and there's the views, La Maroma, and the countryside around it.